So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So that cinematic sequence just now is a part of this video, a part of showing you or telling you about the Nikon camera. So I'm over by the golf course and we're here with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But before we get into it, let's just get everyone's Instagram so you know you guys can link up and follow and do all of the good stuff. So let's introduce ourselves. Well, not really introduce ourselves because you know everybody already. So let's just get the IG and then find out what is it that they are doing here. And then we can get into me telling you guys about this camera. You know, if you're serious about YouTube, you want to start YouTube, best camera for you to use in my humble opinion. In my humble opinion, yeah. So Christasha, actress, what's your Instagram?
Oh, my Instagram name is Christasha Watkin. That's CHRISTASHA WATKIN.
Hello, pretty lady.
Hello.
We're trying to find you on Instagram.
Okay, so my Instagram account is shakaberry25. That is SHACKABERRY25. Shakaberry25.
Thank you. Hello, miss.
Oh.
First time I'm seeing your face. Can you get a little introduction, please?
I'm Nikon. I'm actually from Hanover, but used to live in Kingston. I like running. So I have my
We never go on TV yet.
Training
We never
here.
go on TV yet.
Alton Garden. But trust me, people, you're very lazy.
Alright, so I thought we knew a little bit of. Yeah. Anyhow, what are we doing down here today?
Oh, we're going to do some workout today.
Oh, so we're focusing on getting this guy fit.
Yes, right.
Alright.
Hold on it. Alright. Yeah. Ready? I said on.
So what we are start with?
We're starting with some straight out.
I don't know what that is.
Take off my $1 million chain them there for me. $1 million.
What's a stride out?
A straight out is how fast you can leave from a block.
Alright.
Yeah.
So we have time and all of that with us?
Yes. Basically, we have to do some stride out because he's very weak. You understand?
Okay.
And
Week for exercise, ladies. Week for exercise.
Anton, anything me not catch this, just get the parking, come in the phone. Listen.
So you, sir, what are you doing here? You're not exercising. What are you doing here?
No, sir, I'm not time for that. I'm not ready to do no exercise right now.
Oh, say a film?
Yeah, I'm just go and film the stars them, star and potential star. Yeah. Where potential star name again? Where your name, my friend?
Nika.
Nika, potential star name. So I say I record him, so anything I catch keen, just catch it for me.
So, I'm gonna basically get what I'm at. So, meanwhile they are doing that, let us go up here and talk. What's going on? So, in this one, I'm about to tell you about this camera. Why may I tell you about this camera? So, I don't know if you're interested in YouTube, because it's a thing here now in Jamaica. Don't know if you want to do movies, you want to do photography, I don't know. But I'm here to tell you that this camera, not so cheap, but I think it's the best one that you can get starting out. So for vlogging, for photography, if you want to do movies, it's good. Now, this is a Nikon Z6, guys. Nikon Z6, this one has a fixed 35. All the newbies, meaning that this one cannot zoom. You can't zoom on this one, but starting out, I think it's perfect for you. Well, depending on what you want it to be used for. So, Nikon Z6 full frame, low light capability might be the first question that you guys ask. Can this camera video record in low light? No. I started a movie. I'll have you guys look at the clips from this movie and determine what you think of its low light capabilities.
Yo, I forward as soon as I could, you know. But yo, where's it really going? Yo. No, see, because your cousin still, you know. The looks are still, you know. But you are going. Just at the wrong place at the wrong time.
Yo, I don't know, wrong place at the wrong time, you know. I sit there and set up your money, you know, dog.
What do you mean by setup?
See it there.
Now, in this one, we just use natural lights from the environment. We use no professional lighting. So, yeah. And if you're asking about that video or that movie and when it will be finished, filmmaking, movie making takes time, resources, and money. So, I'm afraid I can't answer that question right now. But it is based on experience. So, definitely stay tuned and subscribe so you can check out that when it's completed. So, yeah, Nikon Z6, I just think it's the best camera right now. I mean, it's not the only high quality camera that I've used. I've used a Nikon D750, that's a full frame but it's a mirror camera. I've used a Sony A7 Mark II. It's nice, but where this shines is the UI, how user friendly it is. I mean, by picking up this camera and just looking at it, if it's your first camera, just picking up and looking at it, the icons won't traumatize you. Like, you'll find learning how to use this camera very easy. I think it was easier to me to learn about this camera than it was with the Nikon D750, and the setup is different. It's different. So transfer speeds as well that you get from this card as opposed to the Sony that I've used before with the SD card. This card transfers files very quickly, especially your 4K footage, transfers it very quickly. So from your camera to your computer, yeah. The audio as well. This has better audio than the Sony A7 II. Is it A7? Sony A7 II, yes. This camera has amazing audio quality on its own. I'm recording my external audio from the phone right now because I'm some distance away from that Nikon. Yeah, it's a Nikon recording this footage as well. So yeah, the audio from the camera by itself is amazing. It's a full frame, it's mirrorless. You get up to 60 frames per second, so it's amazing slow motion. Not on 4K though. You get up to 30 frames. You get up to Hello? Listening? We get up to 30 frames with 4K, so that's amazing. Exactly what you see, whatever you see on the monitor, the LCD, in your viewfinder, that's exactly what your end product is going to look like. So that's another amazing thing. Not all cameras show you exactly what you get with the end product. So yeah, I think that's about it. So has amazing features. The color science in here is you can work with it and edit in Premiere Pro, but I don't know, you're Jamaica, video is where the world is going, you're looking for a start-out camera. It's not cheap. You can get one of these for about 2,500 US, and you can just look at it as a good investment, right? I'm not talking to persons who just want to take up the camera to not get any returns from it. So just think of it as an investment. This would be an amazing camera for you to get. No, we're not sponsored by Nikon. I just like video, and it's amazing to share this bit of information. So yeah, probably you can't get a camera in your hand to hold, test it out and use. I'm here, I've showed you some clips, and I'm here telling you about my experience with this camera. So, and there are other videos on the channel you can go and look at and, you know, make a judgment from there. And I did show you that short piece of movie thing that I'm filming. So from that you can determine if you like the low light capabilities of this camera. It's not the best, but for your money, and all around, you know, photography, weddings, whatever, this one will get you through. It won't be the best, but it will get you through. Music videos, yeah. Nikon Z6, yeah. Battery as well, battery is amazing. Yeah, Nikon Z6, yeah, little more. If you made it this far, definitely leave a like on the video. If you're not subscribed as yet, definitely subscribe. I shall see you in the next one.